Alrighty, Chief. Here's your battery. Why did two lights come on? I don't know if you can see that. Now, let's see if we can see. The LED isn't lighting up. Okay? If you look over here, I do the same continuity test. And it lights up. I don't know if you can see that with the lighting. Maybe I need to dim it out a little bit. See if I can do that. Okay. So, I can't. See? They light up. But this one over here doesn't light up. Okay? Now the problem is, this is a surface mount LED. There'd be no problem taking it off. The problem is getting another one to replace it that works and getting it on there right. I don't know if I can do it. I don't have any more good boards that I could just swap out. So that's the problem with that part of it. As far as everything else, it works. And I'm going to post those videos along with this one. So I can try. It'll take me a while, a long while probably, if I can get that desoldered and get a replacement LED and get it set up so it works. That might take me, like I said, a while. But anyway, I thought I'd show you this real quick. I don't know if the video, if it was recording. Try it again just to make sure. Let's see if I can see it. Again, here's this. Nothing's happening. But I go over here to the other LEDs. Come on. It lights up. So you have a bad LED. It's fully charged. And it works in my tools. And I'll show you in the videos I will post.